Welcome to this video. So in this video I'll be sharing an exciting editing tip within the QuickTime Player. I want to share how to use the QuickTime Player to replace the audio of a video file. Now I have a video file and this is what it sounds like. Data sets to enhance audit effectiveness. So I do not want this video to utilize that audio file, so I've pre-recorded another audio file. So this is a video file and I will be replacing the audio in this video with another audio file. So what will I do? I will go to edit at the top and it's going to list out some menu for me to choose. Now, when you go through each of the lists, all you will that will be relevant to you is remove audio or remove video. Since we are particular about the audio attached to this video, we need to remove it, but there is no option to replace. So to get it replaced, you have to click on this add clip to end. Although this signifies you're trying to add a video clip to the end of the existing one, but you can also use this to import your audio file into the video. So once I click this, it's going to direct me to the location on my local machine, and I'm going to select the audio file and it's going to bring it into the video. Once I select that option, it has brought me my audio file and is putting it as another clip. You can see that because an audio file is not putting it to the end of this clip. If it was a video file, it's going to attach it to the end, but it's putting it as another layer, another level above the video file. Now I've not muted this audio in this video, so when it plays, it's just going to play together and it's going to be quite confusing.
Traditional auditing relied on manual processes.
So that is when the removing audio becomes handy. So I'll make sure I click on this video clip and I'll go back to edit and I'll say remove audio, and that gets silenced. So I'll have this audio play along with the video, and this is what it sounds like.
And sampling. Auditors would review a subset of.
So all you need to verify or to ascertain is to make sure that the length of the audio tallies with the length of the video and is in synergy with how the video plays out. I hope you find this video useful. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.